Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I got in my July 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box, which was all Anastasia Beverly Hills products and in my opinion, such an awesome box. So if you have not seen that unboxing yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But this is the loose highlighter that I got in the shade Vegas. And oh my gosh, I was looking this up online and it has such high ratings and it sounds amazing. I can't wait to see how it's going to look. It's cruelty-free and vegan and it retails for $25. It says it's a loose metallic powder highlighter for intense luminosity. And oh my gosh, the packaging is so pretty. I love the sparkles on the packaging. And so let's check out the color. All right, so it has the little sifter, but I don't think it comes all the way off. So I'm just gonna tap some into the cap here. And I wanna just start out by doing a little swatch. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit on my finger. And it did say that a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna try and go in when I apply it to my face with a light hand because a little goes a long way. Look at how intense that is. But oh my gosh, I love this color. It's like a mix between silver and gold and so reflective. Oh my gosh, I love that. Right. Okay, well, since a little goes a long way, I still have some on my finger right now. And I kind of want to just go ahead and apply it to the brow. Yes, like seriously, a little goes a long way. I just am doing the tiniest little bit. And that's a beautiful brow highlight. It's a very finely milled, soft powder. Let's go ahead and so bright that it's great for inner corner highlight and brightening. Wow. Oh my gosh, I feel like there are so many uses for this. You could also be used on the body, but so I'm actually gonna pick up a fluffier brush and I wanna apply it to my cheeks this way. And seriously, I am just picking up such a little bit to start. And let's see how it looks. Blend it out on my cheek. Oh my goodness. I love how intense it is, that you only need the tiniest bit to get gorgeous glow. Like that seriously looks so like a light shining on the skin with how bright it is. Okay, let's go ahead and build up a little bit more. Like, see how intense that gets? But it does blend out nicely. So pretty. When I layer it up, it does kind of look more like an icy highlighter rather than like a natural glow. And I personally prefer more of a natural glow rather than a very obvious icy, not natural highlight to the skin, but it's still so pretty. When it's more of an intense icy highlight, I prefer that more for the eyes. So with this, I think I want to go in with a light hand for my personal preference. But what I want to try right now is actually going to be a little bit opposite of that, because if you saw my review of the Dewy Set Setting Spray, you saw how it didn't really do anything for my makeup. But I was interested to try it out with the highlighter. So I saw instructions say that you could spray your brush with the highlighter before picking up the powder. So let's see how that is. And then dipping back into the cap here. Even though I really don't even feel like I need to intensify this highlighter. Ooh. But that really is pretty. It does make it more intense and bright, and it makes it a little bit more of a liquid highlighter type of texture, which looks really pretty and smooths out the powderiness, but it doesn't really look like a powdery highlighter anyways. Like, it's not a cakey powder. I think it is a little bit harder to blend too when I just wet the brush, because then it's kind of like where I applied it is where it's stuck and it's harder to blend it out. So with this highlighter, I don't even think I need the setting spray, but I was very interested to see how that would look. But seriously, since you need just the tiniest bit, I definitely tapped out too much into the lid here. So let's go ahead and also do a little nose highlight, center of the face. It's such a fun and pretty product. Just like so metallic, shiny. It's not my favorite shade. That's the part of it that I'm just not crazy about, because I really like the formula. I'm very impressed by that. I just don't find it to be the most flattering highlight shade for me. Like, I never thought that I would want less intense shimmer sparkle, but with this product, that's kind of what I prefer. I think it does look better more as a subtle glow on my cheeks, but for the eyes, I can definitely amp it up to that full, intense, icy highlight potential. But I love a versatile highlighter, and this is going to be able to last me forever, since I only need the tiniest bit to get so much glow on the skin. I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on this and your favorite uses for it. I think a powder highlighter just makes it so much more versatile than like a liquid highlighter or even a pressed highlighter. So I'd love to get some ideas on fun ways to use this other than maybe just wearing it on my cheeks, since I don't love an intense streak of this on my cheek really looks. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.